Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your address in Google AdSense in 2026. So if you moved to a new location or entered the wrong address during setup, this guide will help you update it properly so your payments and PIN don't get delayed. First, open your browser and sign in to your Google AdSense account. Once inside, click the Payments tab from the left side menu. Now go to Payment Info or Manage Settings where your personal details are stored. Here you'll see your payment profile, including your current address. This is the address used for PIN delivery and payments. If editing is available, click the edit icon and carefully update your new address. Make sure your address is complete and accurate, including apartment number, road, city, and postal code. After updating everything, click Save to confirm your new address. And if your PIN is already on the way, changing your address may delay delivery, so be careful. If your PIN was sent to the wrong address, you may need to request a new PIN after updating your details. If you cannot edit your address, contact AdSense support because some accounts have restricted changes for security reasons. So that's how to change your address in Google AdSense in 2026. Always make sure your details are correct so your payments and verification run smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.